So as you can see from the title, I like to give marketing tactics and techniques that don't cost any money to do. Doesn't matter what stage of your business growth that you are in. At the end of the day, if there's a marketing tactic that you can do that doesn't cost any money, it's a fantastic option to have in your arsenal. So this tactic just costs you time, not money. And it's one that has worked for Boostly. It's one that's worked for the family business, the granary, the hospitality business, and for many, many, many others. And it's all about the cross promote. So again, I've spoken about this quite a lot this year. And I really want to emphasize it, that if you can partner up with a business in your area that has got no conflict of interest, then it is ultimately going to be a massive win on your revenues at the end of the year. Now let's dig into why. So number one, if you've got an audience, say of 1,000 people, and if you reach out to a business that you would like to align with that has an audience of 10,000 people, and all of a sudden you have got 11,000 people to put your business and brand in front of. By doing that, you don't have to stress about getting more followers, about more customers, etc. Because what you're going to do is you're going to tap into another business's audience. And that's how, when you align, it is mutually beneficial. And again, because there's no conflict of interest, it's a win-win-win. So it's a win for you because you're able to be seen by many more people. It's a win for your guests because they will be able to go visit a business that is along the lines of what they like, know and love. So it's around their interests. And it's a win for the business that you partner up with because again, their business is going to be put in front of new people as well. Example, family, friendly, hospitality business. We would always recommend people to go and check out a local days out farm. We had got a very good little referral system going along and vice versa. It was massive. And so much so, whenever I asked at breakfast, because we had a bed and breakfast, what were you doing today? I'd say that 7 out of 10 guests said they were going to that location. And we had so many people come and visit us and said that they were visiting there and they recommended us as a place to stay because we were both with the same niche, we had both had the same audience, and there was no conflict of interest. So the cross promote just costs you time and not money. So the time aspect is going out and finding and building these relationships. And the best time to start was yesterday. So what you can do, first and foremost, tap into the places that you know, like, and trust. And then ask the honest question to yourself. Is this place going to be something that my guests would like to go visit? It's all well and good you liking it, but are your guests, your ideal guests, your guest profile, the people who are going to walk through your door, are they going to enjoy coming here? And if so, reach out to them. If they say no, that's fine. Find somebody similar to them. And again, the internet is a great resource for this. Google, TripAdvisor, Yelp, etc., Facebook, etc. And then just start going from there. Have a conversation, give them the benefits of doing so, put it across it in a way that isn't sleazy or scummy or scammy, and who knows what you could create. So this is where I pass the conversation to you. Have you done this so far? And what have been the wins? What has been your feedback? What's the one piece of advice you could give to a host who is just about to embark in cross promotion? Leave it below in the comments. If you're listening to the audio version, come and join in a conversation on LinkedIn, Hospitality Community on Facebook. Instagram is @BoostlyUK, and let's see if we can brainstorm some really cool ideas. As always, my name is Mark Simpson. As always, this is the Daily Podcast. As always, we're still award winning. As always, we are the #1 rated hospitality podcast in the world. We are coming in fast to 400 episodes. Thank you so much for being part of the journey. If this is your first episode, go to boostly.co.uk/podcast and you can go and check out the full back catalogue there. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a great day. I look forward to getting your results from what we've spoken about today in my inbox.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.